protecting your most valuable asset right now on Hey Rod. Thanks for clicking in. I appreciate your support. It's a privilege to be your trusted advisor for all your financial strategies and money management. Please subscribe and follow so you never miss an episode. Share this video on your network so your friends benefit as well. It'll make you look good. Request additional information tailored just for you. This is for highly compensated individuals, medical, legal, and all professionals. I ask, what is your most important asset? You. You and your ability to earn a living. Your income is your most valuable asset. It has the potential to be substantial over your working lifetime. But to earn it, you must be able to work. Life happens. You don't know if or when a serious illness or injury will impact you to the extent that you cannot work for a long period of time. The numbers are staggering. 25% of 20-year-olds entering the workforce will suffer some income-interrupting disability during their careers. 50% of Americans couldn't meet their expenses after just 1 month without a paycheck. 65% of American workers could not cover their normal living expenses for a year if they couldn't work. 1,825 days. 1 in 8 workers will be disabled for 5 years or more during their working careers. Life is good. If you can say life is good, you are fortunate. The career interruption is not going to be an accident. According to the Council for Disability Awareness, 90% of disability is caused by illness, not accidents. The single greatest cause, muscle and back. This includes back pain and arthritis. Here are the percent of claims in 2013. 28% was muscle, back, and joint disorders. 15% spine and nervous system. 12% cardiovascular and circulatory diseases. Cancer only made up 90%. Mental illness, 7%. Accidents, injuries, and poisonings, almost 8%. Respiratory system disorders, 3%. And complications from pregnancy or childbirth, almost 2%. Let's do some myth busting. Hey Rod, I'm covered at work. We consistently find that your coverage at work is not close to the amount or the duration that you expect, even from those who are surveyed who say they have excellent benefits. We will read your benefits plan and tell you exactly what's covered. Hey Rod, Medicare will kick in. You're right, 90 days. Medicare Part A covers hospital stays for a single illness or injury up to a benefit period of 90 days. Hey Rod, I'll file for Social Security disability insurance. Okay, if and when approved, the average recipient received $1,197 in 2018. The maximum is $2,788. Is that going to be enough money? Let's talk about some of your typical expenses and your potential sources of income. Expenses, of course, shelter. How are you going to pay your rent and mortgage? Transportation, your ability to make your car payments and other personal debts. What about food and other essentials? And how are you going to pay your bills? Potential income sources, savings, or a working spouse. But keep in mind that your working spouse's income might be interrupted also because they become your primary caregiver. And others. You can ask family and friends for money. Think about that. Would you actually do that? If you plan ahead, you can protect your income. We've had great success covering clients' income to age 70, covering 60% of their wages with inflation protection, covering occupation-specific careers. If you're like me, I was spending thousands to insure my home, rental property, cars, but not covering my ability to pay for it all. That's until I learned about income protection. Take me up on my offer to review your benefits today. You'll be glad you did. Rodney Lewis, helping successful people manage their money so they can be generous and support their values. Let's talk soon. I'll see you here next time on Hey Rod.